I'm Shala. We are today here with our new video. In previous video, we talked about complete details regarding NIPER joint entrance examination. Now in this video, we are about to discuss specifically NIPER Ahmedabad. The reason we are choosing NIPER Ahmedabad specifically is because it secured first rank in TLR and overall 9th rank in Best Pharma institutions. Not only this, but it also ranked 8th Best Pharmaceutical College as per NIRF Rankings 2020 of MHRD. It attains more height of achievement by getting placed in Band A in ARIIA under the category of publicly funded institutions. Talking about the admission procedure, it follows the counseling mode which is based on the merit obtained by candidates in entrance examination called NIPER Joint Entrance Examination. The selection criteria requires you to pass B Pharma with first class, qualifying GPAT and qualifying NIPER JEE. If you seek more information about NIPER JEE, do visit our previous video. The two major courses available are M Pharma and MBA. M Pharma is available in many disciplines such as biotechnology with 13 seats, medicinal chemistry with 22 seats, medical devices with 15 seats, natural products with 10 seats, pharmaceutical analysis with 25 seats, pharmacology and toxicology with 22 seats, and pharmaceutics with 25 seats. For the other course, MBA in Pharmaceutical Management, 20 seats are available. The placement data for batch 2018 to 2020 for NIPER Ahmedabad is quite progressive. For biotechnology and medicinal chemistry, approximately half of the students applying for placement got selected. For pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical analysis, and natural products, a large portion of those applying got placed. Whereas data for pharmacology and toxicology along with medicinal devices shows promising placement with 100% selection. Now let's discuss fees and payments for various courses according to semester. For MS Pharm, M Pharm and MTech Pharm, the charges payable for first sem are 79,625 for general, OBC, EWS and PH category. For SC/ST, it's 60,925, while for government or industry sponsored, it's 1,20,500. The charges in second semester for general, OBC, EWS and PH category reduces to 38,025. For SC/ST, it's 19,325, while for government or industry sponsored, it's 66,500. Talking about MBA, the first sem fee for general, OBC, EWS and PH category is 1,32,040. For SC/ST, it's 51,575. For government or industry sponsored, it's 2,19,900. The charges payable in second to fourth sem for general, OBC, EWS and PH category are 90,440. For SC/ST, it's 9,975, while for government and industry sponsored, it's 1,65,500. NIPER Ahmedabad is well equipped with advanced lab instruments like NMR, dissolution apparatus, 3D printer, electrospinning gas chromatography, small animal in vivo imaging, QTUF LCMS, cryo-sigma, cell sorter, and confocal microscope. NIPER Ahmedabad also provide hostel and mess facilities. NIPER Ahmedabad mature recruiters are best Indian as well as international pharmaceutical companies like Novartis, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, Intas, Syngene, Dabur, Marvin, Spark, and SMT, among others. It is rather surprising and progressive to note that despite the COVID pandemic situation, placement graph has been consistently increasing till date. For more information, you can visit official website of NIPER Ahmedabad www.niperahm.ac.in. Do like this video, share with aspiring pharmacists and do subscribe for further